DraftKings yesterday. So DraftKings, great signal yesterday. Let me get the recording going. Opening bill. Ooh. All right. So DraftKings, nice profits in DraftKings. I call that out. Next week 60s. I wouldn't take them again. I don't like when the market's up like this in the morning, especially on like a volatile day. MT higher. Freeport Backlund, holy moly. Up $1.50 here. Uber up 79 cents. Oxy up 84 cents. CRK starting to move up a little bit. RDSA is higher. OC 45s and RDSA are 2025. We got them for 35, I think. So RDSA up 90 cents. At CRK calls 1530. If you always want, you can always take a stop loss at 50% stop loss. NWSA up 50 cents. Those calls are now up in value. Freeport working out well here. US Steel working out well. HCC up a little bit. HCC, Warrior Metals, odd quarters here. MT higher. SoFi calls being bought in that one. 5-minute bar closes here in about 3 minutes. What up? What up? What up? We got out a ride yesterday for 42. 34 to 42. DraftKings, we got out for 100% profit. Yeah, Warrior Metals. HCC. HCC Warrior Metals. QS is lower. We took off QS calls that expire on Friday. They're 8 cents now. We got out of those at 20. Ride we got out at in at 34, out at 42. We're holding some October premium. LUV higher. FFIE. FFIE up 60 cents. Valet next week 17.5. Valet up $1 here. Volume less than open interest and Valet at VALE. Next week 17.5. VALE next week 17.5. Valet. Yesterday we had a nice day trade in FFIE. Today is Fed day. I'd be very careful. We took off Ride yesterday. We made money in Zip. Nice trading. Yeah, Zip calls worked out well. Those OC 30s. That was a 1450 club trade. HPQ yesterday. October calls. Those were the 29s. They're 2022. Futures up 20. VIX down again. Exxon, weekly 55s trading here. Tilray, weekly 11.5s. So Exxon, weekly 55s, volume less than open interest. Adobe down 4% today. This is a real account. It's real money. I just can't take any of the trades that I give you guys for 48 hours or 24 hours. Joby up 5 puts trading here. HPQ I wouldn't have taken. The ATR is too small. 5-minute bar closes here in a minute. About 30 seconds. Apple on the 5 getting some selling pressure. Apple's just so weak. 157 down to 144. VST higher. Yeah, I'm going to shoot a new video over the weekend. Where'd my screen just go? Oh, that'd be bad. Oh, there we go. Thought I got rid of my screen. 5-minute bar. Apple. Nothing. Apple on the 5-minute bar. Bear bar. Amazon. Okay, we got something going. Amazon, no signal. Let's go to Baba. Baba, no signal. Tesla, no signal. Netflix is a buy. So Netflix is a buy, guys. We have Facebook and Google. Google, Facebook, no signal. Google, no signal. So Netflix buying the 5. We also have a day trade here in Alcoa, guys. So we have a day trade here in Alcoa. The weekly 51s trading here. Alcoa weekly 51s trading here. So this is a day trade. Buy Alcoa this week. 51 calls for 47 cents. Targets 59 and 70. So Alcoa here, guys. Day trade here in Alcoa. CRK is still on. Day trade here in Alcoa at 47 cents, guys. Hit our day trade scanner at 47 cents. Day trade here in Alcoa, 47 cents. We also have a 5-minute bar long in Netflix. So, day trade in Alcoa, guys. Day trade in Alcoa. 47 cents on the weekly 51s. Alcoa calls being bought. Netflix, a 5-minute bar long in Netflix. So 5-minute bar long in Netflix at 582.41. Netflix 5-minute bar long. So 5-minute bar long. Netflix 582.41. Sell and we'll see. So Netflix is a 5-minute bar long. 5-minute bar long, and we have 1-day trade. Alcoa is the day trade. So we have Alcoa as a day trade. Yeah, Uber is unbelievable. I do have a structure to know that. Oxy's higher today. So Alcoa on the day trade, guys. Alcoa on the day trade. 5-minute bar long in Netflix. 582.41. Alcoa, let's see if the low is in for the day, how high it could get. So Alcoa on the 5. The low is in for the day. Alcoa get up to 49.58. So Alcoa could get up to 49.58 here. 49.58 here at Alcoa. 49.58. NWSA calls working out. So Alcoa, Alcoa day trade 47 cents at Netflix 5-minute bar long. Freeport on fire. NWSA higher. I almost called the signal at $1. Look at NWSA, guys, on fire here. NWSA. NWSA, Oct 15, 2021, 22 calls. NWSA. NWSA. MT calls on fire. Those are up 30 cents. MT up $1.10. So all the steel names are down yesterday are all back up today. Netflix 5-minute bar long at 582 and change. 582.41 is the buy. So let's go in here. Today is the 22nd. Put the 5-minute bar up top. Netflix 582.41. And then on day trade, we have a day trade in Alcoa. Nice trading in NWSA, guys. Great trading. Alcoa here. So Alcoa on a day trade, Netflix 5-minute bar. Netflix 5-minute bar, 582.41. We got out a ride. DraftKings is lower today. MT working out. No official signals yet today. Uber on fire. NWSA on fire. Those are back up to 150. Oxy up. Oil up $1.25. Zip higher on the day. RDSA up 90 cents. CRK up 32 cents. CRK up 32 cents. Those calls are back up to 30. DraftKings makes $22 billion bet. Under 5-minute bar. So basically the 5-minute bar is a bull bar above the cloud. You buy it, sell it, market on close. So there's only one signal today. We're looking for a bull 5-minute bar above the cloud. So 5-minute bar above the cloud right here. 5-minute bar above the cloud. So to buy at 582.41. And then you sell it at the end of the day. That's the easiest. You can buy it in the money call spreads. If it's at 582.50, you buy the 580, you sell the 585. Or the last thing you do is buy out of the money calls. And that's how you trade the 5-minute bar. Just a bull bar above the cloud. Run OCK 50 is trading here, 75 cents. COTY. Yeah, 5-minute bar. A lot of people just take it off early. It's meant to hold to the end of the day. We have a 48-hour spike in PDD. Weekly hundreds, guys. Big buyer of weekly hundreds in PDD. So PDD, 48-hour spike. 9/24/2021, 100 calls for 118. Targets, 180, 240. So PDD, guys, 48-hour spike here in PDD. Weekly calls. If you wanted to, you could buy spreads. I don't like to buy dollar options. If you want to buy a dollar option, you can do it. I would use it, and then I would sell. I use this to do a spread. So PDD, maybe you buy the 100, sell the 101s. You can do that for about 30 cents. So PDD, you can basically buy a call spread. Over 5,000 PDDs trading here, guys. Over 5,000 PDDs trading here. So PDD 9/24/2021, 100 calls trading here in PDD. You could do that to buy the 100 101 call spread. You could buy the calls outright, sell put spreads. If the market reverses, this will probably reverse with it. You just look a little bit weak. Yesterday we had a lot of volatility with the Fed talking today. Let's go to the daily chart here in the futures. Look at Uber. Uber calls are up to $5.30, guys. Wow, we talked about those yesterday in Uber. Those are up to $5.30 now. So today would be a higher low and a lower high. Inside day. I still haven't breached the lows from 2 days ago. Yesterday was technically a weekday. Facebook down $11 today. To Facebook on the daily. Facebook. I don't like stocks that go up like this much. Like even if I got offered a structured note on this, I wouldn't take it. I mean, 240 straight up. VIAC 41's trading here, guys. Is another day trade. They're buying these like crazy, guys. VIAC, guys. VIAC. VIAC. Day trade here, guys, in VIAC. Weekly calls in VIAC, guys. 41s. VIAC weekly 41s. VIAC. $450 in Netflix. Nice trading. Oh, VIAC on fire here. Those are up to 2021. VIAC has an ATR of $1.22. Structured notes, kind of hard to explain in 15 minutes. Takes a little bit more time than that, but VIAC on fire. VIAC, guys, look at it go. Calls being bought in VIAC. 2021, 2022. VIAC weekly 41s. The stock's on fire. Huge, huge call buyers in VIAC, guys. Weekly 41s. About to hit a target one at 423, guys. Once you hit target one, you can move to stop to break even. VIAC weekly calls. 18 cents over 7,000 he's trading here. VIAC target one just hit, guys, in VIAC. Just like that, guys. Boom. VIAC 25% profit. VIAC hit our day trade scanner and our penny spike scanner. 25% profit hit, guys, in VIAC. Uber up again today. So VIAC, guys, huge call buyers. The stock can potentially get up to 40.26. It's the low of the day plus the ATR. Low of the day plus the ATR. Look at the stock go. 40.23 is upside measured move target. Stock's up 23 cents. They're buying more calls. They're up to 7,500 of these calls, guys. We got you in at 18 cents. Got you guys at 18 cents, guys. VIAC, weekly 41s. 18 cents. They hit our scanner. That's where we got you in. Target 1 is 23. Target 2 is 27. 27 would be 50% profit, guys, here in less than 20 minutes. That's right. That's right. PDD up to 130. $24.25 now. VIAC, guys, weekly 41s. Should you pay 25? Nope, the trade is over. 18 cents you got in. Here's the signal that we called, 18 cents. You don't pay 25, that's too much. You pay where we tell you to get in at 18. Targets are 23 and 27. I hit our day trade scanner. Fives are down. Ride we got out of yesterday. TWNK higher. Asher calls being sold. Sound is good here. Oh, these people were saying. No, we're good on sound. Look at my hoodie. There's always another opportunity, guys. If you didn't get into VIAC, hopefully you can get into the next one. Target 1 hit. Target 2 is 27. Skechers puts being bought. Weekly puts. Look at Skechers on fire. That hit a couple days ago. HCC up higher today. Alcoa calls break even here. Weekly calls, weekly 51s. Wow, look at Alcoa, $3 today. All the steel names were getting beaten down the other day. VIAC about to profit. Target 2. Almost there. Netflix up from the buy signal. But the Fed does speak later today, guys, so be careful. We're going to talk about tapering. Netflix was a buy. PDD on fire. Look at PDD go, guys. We call it 5 those signals at 118. They're up to 144 here in PDD. PDD, guys, weekly hundreds. 5 those at 118. They're up to 144 now. That hit our 48-hour spike scanner. So PDD weekly 100 calls. 118. PDD weekly 100 calls. PDD weekly 100 calls. Screen's frozen. Let me see here. It is. I can restart it. It maybe is frozen. Hold on. NWSA $300. Nice trading. Let's try to take the screen again. Should be good here in a second. We are good again. LI up 72 cents. Alcoa starting to move. Calls up to 50 now. VIC. VIAC weekly 41s. Wow, look at the stock go. About to hit $40. $23.25. We have a penny spike and Oxy next week 30s. I'm gonna call these out a signal. You're gonna get a signal here for Project 303, guys. Project 303, check the chat box. You're getting a signal here. You're getting a signal here in 303. You're getting a signal here. Up money now, Alcoa. Nice. CRK, we're still holding it. Still have upside potential in all the oil names. RDSA, OC45s. Those are back to 30. Got in at 30. Project 303, you have 8 minutes left to go. Netflix on fire since I gave you that buy signal. Wow, Netflix up $5. Netflix winner, Alcoa winner, VIAC winner, PDD winner. This is what AK does. Oxy's in the note in the chat tab, and they just put it up. APA calls being bought, 1,000 lot. APA calls being bought. GDXJ trading here. Walmart puts trading here. Uber calls up to 540. They hit option anchor on Monday at 110. Up to 540 here. MT hit yesterday. Took out VIAC, $100. Nice trading. Netflix, buy signal 582. It's up to 587. Here's Alcoa. Weekly, 51s, 47 cents. VIAC. Weekly 41s, 18 cents. Those are the 2-day trades. 2-day trades, 2 winners. 48 hours, 1 hour, 48-hour spike, 1 winner. 2 penny spikes, 2 winners. And 1 short squeeze as well. 303. You've got a whopping 5 more minutes. We're always looking for volume to be greater than open interest. HAS, Nova 85s. PDD up to 150. Help enter the trade. You can always call your broker. Otherwise, you just go to the ask and you click it. Just click the ask X. You just click the price. Your default quantity will show up. My default's probably 200. You just change your quantity to whatever you want. Uber calls for Monday up to 550, guys. Unbelievable. Futures on fire. ODSA up another $1. 2030. CRK back up a little bit. Oh, Oxy ripping. Oxy target number 1 hit, guys, for Project 303. Another winner. Oxy, guys, another winner here. 50% profit. Actually, not 50. It's more like 40% profit. Oxy, target 1 hit. Hit our penny spike scanner. Oxy, target 1 hit. 12 to 16 here in Occidental Petroleum. Booyah. Final target will be 20. We put 21. You can move your stop to break even if you want. Guarantee your mouse off to make money. PDD on fire. Oh, yeah. 50% profit on the 48-hour spike scanner. So PDD hundreds, we gave you those at 118. They're up to 180 now. 50% profit, guys, in less than 30 minutes. Scanner's on fire. Starts me. PDD up to 190. Oh, my God. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, you could, but I don't. Netflix up to 589. Look at Netflix go. You can always call your broker. They'll help you with that. I always call the signal on those November oxys. Alcoa. Oh, Alcoa target 1 hit, guys. Alcoa target 1 hit. Oh, AK. Can still get up a little bit higher. Can get up to about 49.58. Alcoa. Hit. Ooh. Why didn't I hit? So Alcoa, guys, look at these day trades. Alcoa, target 1 hit. VIAC, target 1 hit. TCK calls being bought. Nothing on option actor yet. 48-hour spike, PDD. Got up to 190, 50% profit. 2-day trades, 25% profit each. Oxy on the penny spike. That one worked out well. Futures bid. All right, guys. Remember, it's a 303. That is it for today. 1450 Club. You will get another hour. All right, thanks, everyone. They gone. Later. Futures up 30. Play calls being bought. IO, sorry. NWSA higher. Love higher. Freeport on fire. VIAC, stop to break even. The trade is over. VIAC, stop to break even. The trade is over. So VIAC, stop to break even. That trade is over. So VIAC, make 25% profit. Move on to the next trade. So let's go into our daily signals here and put them all in here. VIAC, 924, 41 calls, 18. Your penny spike. VIC and Oxy. And 48-hour spike. PDD. $100 calls. Boom. Nice trading, 180 bucks. That's what I like to see. All I do is win, win, win. I should be able to play music in here. All I do is win, win, win. So those are the signals so far in the first hour. 30 minutes so far. Oh, look at the market go. They say taper. Taper. Okay, so what I want to do now is, okay, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do something pretty cool. So I just want to add a new watch list. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to do create watch list. I'm going to call it signals from 9/21, 2021. I'm going to hit save. And make sure I sold the other one. Where did the other one go? Okay, so now, okay, so we want to detach this. Okay, and then I have signals from 920. SoFi, 16.5. 920 signals from 920. Personal. Okay. Then I can just take all these and move these over to this one. So I'm just moving all these signals from yesterday over here. And I can just drag it, I think. Hold on. Freeport with some option anchor 2.0. LUV. FFIE. News. Cool. Freeport. DraftKings. Open. TWNK. X marks the spot. Pfizer, right, MT, DraftKings. Okay, that's all good here. We can remove all these. Look at how much space that just cleared. Okay, today we have Alcoa, Oxy. Let's go to VIAC. VIAC, 41s. SoFi, 16.5s. PDD up to 180 again. Actually, the last one is US Steel. Do I have US Steel? Futures up 40. Can't keep a good market down, they say. I don't like this rally. I think it's too early in the day. If they rallied after the Fed, it's okay to buy it, but I wouldn't be buying here. I would not be buying here. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. The IAC trade is over. Alcoa, I probably took the trade off. Move your stop to break even on those day trades, guys. Can I show 1450 club trades? Yes. Let me just save this workspace here. Okay. So here we go. RDSA back up to about 25. So RDSA coming back. Almost a winner here in RDSA. So we've kind of turned around a little bit in September. We had 7 trades, 4 winners here. So actually, we started with 1 winner and 4 losers or something like that. And, you know, if RDSA flips to a winner, we'll have 5 winners, 2 losers. It's pretty good. I learned my lesson in AYX. I don't want to take any more dollar options. DraftKings, guys. I'm going to call it a signal here in DraftKings, guys. Calling out a signal here in DraftKings. DraftKings, 10-15, 58 for 99 cents. We're going to call it a signal here in DraftKings, guys. 1450 Club, official signal. Buy DKNG, 9, 10, 15, 2021. 58 calls. You get them for 99 right now. It's 127 offered at 99. Targets 150 and 2. DraftKings, guys. I think it goes higher. I like this signal. They're October. They're buying more of them. Here they come in for DraftKings. They're up to 3,000. These are DraftKings, guys. So DraftKings, I like this signal here in DraftKings. DKNG. DKNG. DraftKings. 10, 15, 20, 21, 58 calls, 99 cents. I like this signal. 50% stop loss. I think it's okay here. Hey, huge ATR, guys. So huge ATR, guys. DraftKings, 1,843 trade total. The low is in for DraftKings. How high can it get? DraftKings, we can get you up to 54 today. 53.96 to the upside, guys. It's got room to run. It ran yesterday after a signal hit. He's call it a signal for the MMP show. That signal went on fire. If you had troubles with DraftKings before in the past, you don't have to take the trade. DraftKings, guys. Official signal. Make it blue. 9/22/2021. DKNG. October 15th. 58 calls. Our entries 9 to 9. Bottles of beer on the wall. Take one down. Pass it around. 8 trades. More Oxy trading here. DraftKings, guys. Up to 101. Come on, give me some steam. Stock can get up to 54 based on the low of the day plus the ATR, average true range. Low of the day plus the ATR, average true range. Peloton, 85 puts being sold. September, weeklies. DraftKings, guys. DKNG. $99. Low of the day plus the ATR with up over 4,000 these. Low of the day plus the ATR gets you to 53.98. That's how high it can potentially get. 53.98. Futures a little weak here. PDD up to 180. CRVS. ACB. Took a trade for 303.2. That trade's a winner. Nice little pop on those right off the bat. CRK is still on. FXI trading here. ATR DraftKings is about like 250, 240. 240. 240 is the ATR. Average true range. 240, guys. Futures of 34. Zip not up today. Zip was strong. Still like DraftKings. Not moving yet, but I still like it. Fed it today. Today's Wednesday, right? Today Wednesday? It's not starting to move yet, but I still like the signal. 1 to 101. 15 minutes ago, we do a bonus trading today, guys. Shocked by this rally. I'm not sure if it holds or not. I'm a little shocked by it. DraftKings, 99 a buck. PDD up to 160. VIAC. Sophie hit as a day trade too. So Sophie actually hit as a day trade too. Sophie calls. So SOFI weekly 16 and a halfs hit. I just thought it was too late in the day for that trade, but it is working out here in Sophie. Day trade. Booyah. DraftKings, get a bit. 53.98 is my upside target. 53.98 is my upside target. See some Yeti calls being bought. I like this. I can add all these new like strikes on here and like watch everything. Got out of ride yesterday, bought him at 34 out of 42. Small profit, 25%. Never killed anybody. Took Zip off a while ago. RDSA we're still in and CRK we're still in. If RDSA got to 35, I'd probably sell them, to be honest. They're 20, 25. If CRK got to 60, I'd probably sell those. Those are 25, 30. MNTS, they say big call buyers here. MNTS. Volatility at 52-week high. OCT 12.5 is being bought. Uber up another $1.17. Those Uber calls up to 520. $5.20. DraftKings. DraftKings was official, yes. Usually don't like those dollar options, but the ATR is so big. And yesterday we called that a signal for the MMP show, and that was a huge winner. Those calls doubled in value. Quick $100 and Alcoa, nice. $100. Just take your you hit target one, move your stop to break even. Move your stop to break even. So if he calls, they bought 16.5. I didn't think it was actionable, but it's too late in the day. But the weekly 16.5 traded here at 26. They did get up to 31. So Sophie, SOFI, 9/24/2021. 16.5 traded here. 16.5 traded here. We see the market like reversing really hard and DraftKings break even. Maybe take it off a little bit early. DraftKings a little bit weak here. Does have that big ATR. You're 4 weeks on those calls. So like trades, we have a lot of time. And IQ no 12.5. So thank you. Eight minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, and then we have bonus trading today. Ooh, it's cold in Dallas right now. I'll warm up a little later in the day. Futures. Can't believe I'm very shocked at this rally today. You know, whatever the Fed says, you know, if they decide not to taper, they don't talk about tapering, that's why you can get a market rally. But the futures being up 36 points and the Dow being up 330, I wouldn't want to be buying stocks today. You know, I don't like them here. Netflix. Look at that go, guys. We give you a buy signal 582 in Netflix, guys. 582, we give you buy Netflix. You take it off early if you want. 593 and change. Netflix, buy 582 up to 593 and change. 3-day trades, 3-day trade winner. 1 5-minute bar, 1 5-minute bar winner. One signal from option actor that's unchanged. PDD, huge winner. 2 penny spike winners. All I do is win, win, win. Sketcher calls up to 88 now. Four minutes ago, then we have bonus trading. LI higher. Sold QS calls. MasterCard. FedEx was getting destroyed. Let's look at a daily chart of FedEx. Ugh! Holy moly. Thankfully, I don't have anything in FedEx on a structured note. I would take a structured note today in it, though. Wow. Relative strength index of FedEx is at 19 today, guys. So FedEx I do like here. Long term, but obviously I don't really buy stocks like that. Uber calls got up to 550. Those hit option accurate at $1.10 on Monday, guys. Not bad, $1.10 to 550. I'll take it. I have a structured note in Penn Gaming. I actually do have a structured note in DraftKings too. DraftKings getting crushed. Calls done at 96 here. If it makes a new low of the day, it's not bad. It just means it can reverse even harder. And maybe it'll take a couple days. Low of the day was 51.57. So it's kind of overlapping bars here. I'd like to see a rally after the calls were bought. It's not rallying, though. You know, would like to see a rally after the calls were bought. Futures up 39 a quarter. The VIX is holding in there. VIX down 250. Toast, first trade. Open. Open table. Low of the day, 1872. $38. Sophie 16.5 for bought for 26 cents. Sophie 16.5, 26 cents. Yeah, I think DraftKings is okay. I mean, it had news, so it's gonna be volatile. Obviously the stock is not moving the way we'd want it to move, but if you want to get out, you get out. They're down 2 cents. Stock went down 40 cents. The calls are down 2 cents. So BIG, no 52.5 puts trading here. What does Toast do? What does Toast do? All right, guys, that is our session. If you paper bonus trading, see you back in a minute. If you don't, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thanks. Everybody have a great day.